Joe Miller, trial attorney, workers' compensation attorney, Virginia and North Carolina. I want to talk to you a little bit today about your rights under Virginia workers' compensation law. You know, we get a lot of calls from people that they want to know what their rights are under Virginia workers' compensation law. I'm here today to tell you something that you may find very shocking, and that is that you have no rights under Virginia workers' compensation law. Let me say it again. You have no rights under Virginia workers' compensation law. When I say you have no rights, what does that mean? That means that unless you enforce those rights by properly following the proper paperwork and following certain legal steps that you must take in order to enforce your rights, then you have no rights. Let me tell you and explain to you the typical scenario that we see almost every day when somebody calls into our office or we accept a claim. What we find is that the person is, yes, they are getting their workers' compensation checks, they are getting their medical bills paid for. The employer is telling them everything is fine. You have nothing to worry about, sir or ma'am. You're severely injured. You're relying on your employer or the workers' compensation carrier to tell you, and you believe them when they say everything's fine. The day finally comes when your doctor says, okay, I'm going to release you to light duty. You can go back to lifting 10 pounds, something like, you 10-pound lifting restriction, 20-pound lifting restriction, something like this. And the day that that happens, your checks stop, and you don't get a penny after that. You're dumbfounded. You have no clue what's going on. Why did that happen? The reason it happened is because you did not file the proper paperwork, you didn't take the proper steps, because nobody told you to take the proper steps. Your employer sure isn't going to tell you, and the workers' compensation carrier certainly isn't going to tell you what you need to do. If you want to know what you need to do, if you want to know how to enforce your rights, you need to pick up the phone and give us a call here at Joe Miller Law. This is what we do every day. Okay? And you can do that by either calling the number on the screen or reaching us through the web at joemillerinjurylaw.com. We'll be happy to help you. We look forward to talking to you. Thank you for listening. I'm Joe Miller.